Some nice little ducks just there. Probably can't see them now. You might be able to see them. No. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to the BMW main dealer. That always sounds scary and expensive, but I've no fret because today it is a free trip. I was checking the MOT history the other day online, as you do, just being a bit nosy really at previous owners, and it says at the bottom of the Gov UK MOT check page that you can it just come up saying that there's a recall on the car. So I thought, oh nice. So gave them a ring, gave my local BMW dealership a ring, and they said, yeah, there's a recall. It's fan blower motor thing. That was like literally how they explained it. So I was like, okay. So that's where we're going today, to get that done, whatever it is. I'm assuming it's something to do with the sorry, there's someone at this roundabout that doesn't know how to use it. And another one. Okay, anyway, I'm assuming it's something to do with the heater, blower, fan. I've done like about 30 seconds of reading on it, and I think there's some wiring that goes into it that's potentially loose or something that can catch fire. So might as well get that done, and it's free, so bonus. I have waited an extra couple of weeks to get it in because they haven't got a courtesy car. I don't even need a courtesy car, but I love having a courtesy car because who doesn't? So we'll have a little drive in that and see what that's about. Hopefully it'll be something nice and not some like Volkswagen up or something. But yeah, let's see. Right, sorry about the wind noise, but this is the courtesy car. It is not a Volkswagen up, thank God. We've got a 70 plate, so 2020 BMW 5 Series. It is the 520D, as you can see there. There you go, twin exit exhausts. Some funky little alloys, big old tyres on them. Obviously made for comfort. What size are they? So look, 225, 55, 17. So they actually look lost in sidewall there, but it's pretty comfy. I've just taken it for a little drive. So I'm just in this little scenic spot here. So here's the inside. Cream leather interior. COVID mask. Now that may be a problem if you're thinking about getting the cream leather interior if you're going to buy one of these. Remember about all the dirt. But the rest of it's nice and plush. Maybe you get some black floor mats, that would probably do the trick. Nice solid clothes. Here's the back, plenty of leg room, nice leather. It's a really nice car, to be fair. Massive door bins, some whatever these are things. Oh, I like those little lights down there, you can see that. They're quite cool. Look a bit weird on the camera, but they give like a little glow in real life. Look at the boot, very nice. We've got massive boot, a lot bigger than my 3 Series. Some stuff, some more stuff, and stuff again, loads of stuff. Don't know if there's a no spare wheel by the looks of it. Oh, hang on, how do I do this? It's not a... No, I've got to manually do it. Okay, please, there you go. What else? Rear privacy glass looks nice. So look at the driver's seat. Again, dirty mats and dirty carpets. This one is an auto, I think they're all auto nowadays. There you go, that's the driver's position. I'll have to get in because there's a car coming. Yeah, so there's the driver's position. It's really comfy there. Got this little thing, put the keys in there. It's all keyless. This is the 520D. So I've just taken up the road, and it's not the fastest thing in the world, but what do you expect, I suppose? This is a luxury saloon, not a hot saloon. Let's turn that off. Yeah, nice. So let's go and take it for a little spin, see what it's like. Right, let's go, see what this is all about. Don't know what that does. Right, drive, electric handbrake, worst things ever invented, and we're off. It's all very quiet in here. It's nice. Right, so we're in D, comfort mode. Let's whack it in sport, come on, let's have it. What are we in? Manual? No, now we're in sport. I assume I click that like my one. There you go. Manual mode. Let's see what she's got. Oh, great deal. This is a nice little spot. Look at that. I don't know if that's showing on the camera. I might chuck the drone up in the air. I've got the drone with me actually. Get a few picturesque shots. So yeah, it's not the fastest thing in the world anyway, as you can see. But it's not meant to be, is it? It's meant to be nice and... Oh, very nice. Bit of tobacco there, left by someone. Courtesy car life, I suppose. What else we got? Vehicle status. I think this should give us somewhere. I've no idea where I am, by the way. Is this a dead end? Oh, sport seems to down change quite quickly. Let's put it in comfort. There we go, that's better. Right, where was I? Menu, car. Feels like it's about to stall. Don't even know what gear I'm in. How do you know? Right, driving information. Oh, sports display. Here we go. Don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it is giving me my NMs, my torque, and my horsepower. Currently using about half a horse. By the looks of it. Right, this is a nice little bit of road here. Let's get a downshift. Let's go. Oh my god, she's purring. What we got? Oh, it went back to drive. That's annoying. It's a rubbish road anyway. Let's go down. Go and find somewhere it opens up a little bit and we'll see what it's like. Right, flat foot down. Whoa, she's talky. That's it. There you go. That's all the road we got. Yeah, it's a diesel. It's got a nice little bit of torque to it, but then not a lot happens after that. So, be good for a daily. I'm going to spin around here actually. Well, hopefully anyway. Okay, car just cut out then. I'm guessing that's the old stop start, not used to that. Turn around here. Try not to crash. I have to do this in 3, I think. 1, 2. Oh, this is cool. Very nice. Right, ready, steady, go. Yeah, okay. That'll do. So if you're buying this for an executive saloon, then that's about all the engine you're going to need really. Don't know what it's like on the motorways because we haven't got any in the Isle of Wight. Computer said there that I was using 150 horsepower. Big stuff. Even in comfort mode. Just try not to kill this woman. She's got her headphones on, she's paying no attention other than her dog. Right, I think I'm better off going down this road instead, to the right. This is a very posh area around here. It's like middle of nowhere, very picturesque. Just a few cottages and that's it really. No dirty 335Is going banging up the road every night. Just the odd Maserati. There we are. I have no idea where this goes. I haven't been down here in years, so apologies for this. So I'm just going to stop here, take some cinematics. Right, that's the couple of drone shots there for you. Hope you like them. I'll overlay them somewhere, no idea where. They'll be on the video. So this is annoying. On mine I can move the seat forward with like the little button on the side, but on this it's got the buttons on the side to give it all this sort of thing, but you have to manually pull the bar thing to actually slide the seat, which is a bit weird. I thought it'd all be like electric underneath as well. Right, let's get this window up. Aircon is on. Let's go for a little drive. Oh, some ducks there. Right, let's try not to rip the bottom of the... Oh my god, big wheel spin there. Yes, nice. Some nice little ducks just there. Probably can't see them now. You might be able to see them. No. Right, so what do we think of the car then? Oh, this is one thing is this seatbelt's a bit annoying, and these doors seem really short as well. I think it's because I'm used to the coupe, but anyway, right, what do we think of this compared to the 335i that I have? It's very nice. It's comfortable, like really comfortable. You're not crashing around on run flat 18s. And it's all sort of wafting. It's very boatish. Whereas mine is sort of like, it's a bit more go-kart feeling. But then they are two different cars, two different types of cars. No idea what the fuel economy is like because I've had it all of about 1 hour. This is really useful stuff for you if you're thinking of buying one. So I don't know what the fuel economy is like. It's comfy. That's pretty much it. What else? Gearbox is nice and smooth. That's nice. Steering is light. Yeah, get one. Especially as a courtesy car. I like the flappy paddles, even though it's a bit pointless in this car because you're not going to be slamming gears DMO style. But yeah, I don't know. Why put them there? It's not that kind of car. Just leave it as it is. Well, at least, well, I don't know. At least they're there if you do want them, I suppose. It smells like DFS in here. I think it's all the nice new supple leather. So that's a bonus. Don't know how long it will smell like DFS for, but it's nice if you're getting it new. And it's also super economical. I haven't had it very long, but the fuel tank has not moved. I've done quite a few miles and it literally hasn't moved, so that's a bonus, I would say. Anyway, I'm going to have to go and get the 335i back now. I do miss it a little bit, to be fair. Although it is nice in here. It's not an M54, is it? Let's be honest. So, I hope you enjoyed watching this little snippet of a review. It's not really a review, it's just what I think of my courtesy car for the day. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below, little bell there as well if you want to be notified when I upload. And if you can give the video a like, it's great, it helps me out a lot. helps others see the content if they're interested. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.